Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Focal Collective. Today I'm here on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. and we're going to be shooting the Mamiya RB67. So the camera was released in 3 versions. The Mamiya RB67 original was released in 1970. It was the Mamiya RB67 Pro. And in 1974, they followed it up with the Mamiya RB67 Professional S. That's the version I have today and I'm shooting with. And then later in 1990, they finished up with the Mamiya RB67 Pro SD. So the RB in the Mamiya RB67 stands for rotating back. So when you're shooting, because this has a look-down finder, you can easily switch between landscape and portrait orientation by simply rotating the back here. One of my favorite things about this camera versus a lot of medium format film cameras is that it shoots a 6x7 negative for only about $350. Most 6x7 cameras go for $1,000 plus, such as the Mamiya 7 or the Pentax 6.7. Because of the 6x7 negative, it's actually a really large negative, and I'm able to develop and scan my film at home and get really good results. Traditionally, if you try to scan 35mm film, you'll get a lot of grain, and it just doesn't blow up that well because those negatives are really small. So all you gotta do to load it up here is you gotta switch these here, and the back will pop up like that. Let's just set this down. And so then you find this little latch on the corner here and the back will pop open and this will reveal the canister. So one of the things I've found that I don't like about this camera so far is that the seals here go bad relatively fast, but luckily they're easy to replace. So this will pop out here. Then we will take the film out here. Today I'm shooting HP5 Ilford. I'm probably going to push it to 1600. So you simply just push in the little lever there, pop that around, make sure the black side of the film is facing out. Give it a couple turns. Just want to find that arrow down there and make sure that the arrow lines up. Get this back in the canister there. And we're ready to go. This 6x7 format, you get about 10 shots. So let's just wind it up here. Upgrades I've made to this camera is I replaced the focusing screen in here to be a Rick Olsen bright screen. It's just much brighter and a lot easier to compose my shots. Go ahead and compose a shot of this scene here of the Washington Monument in the background. And to do this, I'm going to focus the bellows here. To get the shot in focus, you just turn this knob here. It's actually really cool. One thing I love about the bellows here, with the bellow focus, you can actually get really close-up shots. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're interested in picking up a Mamiya RB67 after watching this video. If you don't mind, please drop a comment below and subscribe. And also check out focalcollective.com and learnphotoandvideo.com where we post more tutorials and free content. Thanks so much and see you guys next time.